Happy day to you. How is everyone? It is Thursday here for me today, my last day of working for the week. And it's been a good week. It has. I'm tired. Anyway, I wanted to share with y'all what I have in my Etsy shop. Newest addition to my Etsy shop. This is for sale. I have used Ooh La La Vintage Treasures, Snippets to Cherish, can't talk, obviously. Snippets to Cherish Flower Shop Kit. Anyway, we've got a box here, as you can see. Fully lined and decorated. It no longer looks like the box that came to me like this. Obviously, it didn't come to me like this. Anyway, y'all can look at my video, it's a couple of videos back, and watch me put this whole entire flower bouquet together. I think that's just so pretty. I'm just staring at it. It's mesmerizing. So pretty. Anyway, I do have it enclosed, okay? It is like Velcro closed, so it, you know, when you shut it, it's going to stay shut. We've got a pretty little bow with a pretty little piece of bling on the front there. My cat is up here. You need to get down. You need to get down. No, we're not doing this. Okay. And let's look what's inside. The box is also fully lined on the inside, so pretty inside and out. Bunch of stuff here, bunch of. Here, got a little snippet, collaged, fully embellished. Another one. I just love the pearls. It's all distressed. Like I said, so much fabric, so much lace, so much bling. This is a little hand journal. Y'all can see it. Fits about perfectly in my hand. A little bit bigger than that. So many tucks, so many pieces. Here's the back. On the inside, got a little pocket here for some pretties. A bunch of different papers. Another little pocket. Got a little envelope here. Got a little tuck place here with some pretties. Got a little paper clip that I decorated, holding some pieces here, on here. So even though this is small, y'all, it is mighty. If you did want to use it to write, there is plenty of writing room in this whole kit. We've got tags, we've got the little journal, we got, I cannot put the, there we go. Journal, just lots of places that if you wanted to write, but I also made sure it was thoroughly decked out, thoroughly decorated and embellished, so nothing further would have to be done. You could just use this as a place to look, you know, open it up, bring about some happiness sometime if that's what you wanted to use it for. So I made this piece as a lookbook of sorts. Y'all will notice as I'm going through this, you'll see a lot of corrugated cardboard here. And that's in almost every piece. I just wanted that rustic, kind of grungy look along with the shabby chic. I've got a dangle here with a bunch of pretties. This is tied together with tulle. Vintage applique. Dangles, tucks. If any of y'all been watching me for a while, y'all know my repertoire. Y'all know how I like to do things, and it's just so stacked. There's so much that I can't show everything. I can't even describe everything because I'm gonna miss some stuff. Got a little tuck space there. This piece was inspired by a piece that Doreen created that was very similar but larger. So she gave me the idea of putting this together. And got a little antique piece of, looks like jade right there. I'm sure it's not real jade, I don't know, but I do know it's really old. But anyway, that's tied, and you can open it up. And we've got a bunch of pretties here, little tuck space there, little tuck space here decorated. And I just thought that that was just really, really pretty. Credit for that, even though Doreen didn't make this one, she definitely inspired it, that piece. I loved her so much, I thought, I've got to make one too. Y'all got to give me a minute to go over each piece because I'm still looking too. This took me quite a while to make and put together this whole box because I have been so busy. I just haven't been able to spend the time on any crafting like I like. And so some of this is new to me again. And I'm like, oh, yeah, so good for the eyes, just eye candy. This gorgeous applique here. I love it. And in this box, this flower bouquet, also inspired by Doreen. I saw her do something very similar with a much bigger one. So I made one. Bunch of tuck pieces in there. Here we've got a little teeny tiny journal. How cute is that? I think that's just adorable. Another tag. This is a coffee dyed envelope. And here we have a tag that you can remove if you want. Up to you. A fully embellished tag. And in this envelope, we've got more goodies. How cute is that? Little flower pot, bow, little piece of bling, and another little tiny flower. I just thought that was adorable. Another little rose. Some peonies. Another tag. Got another tag here. And another one. The final one. And certainly not least, I think that is just really pretty. If nothing else, that applique alone is just, you know, not cheap and beautiful. So anyway, if whoever wants this, you get every single bit of this. And I don't know about y'all, but looking at all of this certainly makes me happy so much. And even some little tiny snippet pieces. I think those are adorable. All right, guys, I just wanted to share that. If y'all are interested, it is in my Etsy shop. I thank y'all for stopping by. Hope that you've been inspired, and we'll talk again soon. Bye.